Okay, so 10th standard students, the thing is in this chapter already I described you that the chapter is regarding mineral resources and power resources. Okay, how the minerals are, which minerals are very much using as a resources, and now we are into the power resources. In the last video we have done the meaning and importance. Okay, what is power generation, or what is this power generation? The resources which are used for the generation of electricity are called power resources. Okay, to generate the electricity. Okay, now types: convectional and non-convectional. Convectionals are exhaustible and non-convectionals are not exhaustible. Okay, see, water we are using to make this electricity, that water is not going off from us. Okay, again it is there with the technology, again from that water only we can use. But coal, one it is burns, once it's burned means it is gone, again we need a new coal deposit. Now today we will be discussing about coal. You people all know about coal. What is coal? Coal is a fuel substance of plant origin. Fuel substance of plant origin. What is coal? Coal is a fuel substance of plant origin. Okay, it is composed largely of carbon. Okay, wherever it is carbon, it is black in color. Okay, so here also you can see coal are black in color. Okay, because they contains mainly the carbon in them. The vegetative matters which was buried in the past ages has changed into coal due to high temperature and pressure. Okay, coal we will get inside the earth. What happened? The vegetative materials or the vegetative matters, means these trees and all, they get uprooted or like that, then they mix with the soil. Okay, and on that basis only the coal is getting formatted inside the earth, and we are using it for as a resource to generate electricity. Now, importance of coal. What is the importance of coal? Coal is an important source of power in India. Coal is very much, see, coal is when there was not this hydroelectric, means when we are not getting the power from electricity. That time also we was having coal only. That was that time only resource we can use for generation of electricity. So coal is an important source of power in India. It contributes about 67% of the total energy of our country. It contributes about 67% of the total energy consumed in the country. So consume means not only the domestic. Okay, what we are using in industry, we have to count that one, because on that basis only we are having the economic development, and in the industry we use a huge proportions of coal. So for generations of electricity, and the 67% of the total energy being produced with the help of coal is consumed in the country. Out of 100%, 67% means how it is almost 1/3. Okay, not 1/3, 2/3. It also provides many byproducts. Coal, once you burnt it, even that ash is also used. After burning the coal, you will get ash. That ash is again used in some industries. Okay, so like that only byproducts are there. It also provides many byproducts such as ammonia. Okay, you people know about ammonia. Coal tar. Coal tar is used when some roads are getting constructed. No, they used first stone, then they use cement, and on that only that black color material, pitch, we told, no, they make it concrete with that. That is we are getting from coal only. That is known as coal tar. Coal gas is also there. Benzol, naphtha, sulfur, etc. These are the byproducts of coal. these are used as raw material in chemical industry. See, in the chemical industry, they produces several types of things. Okay, in that they use this byproduct of coal like ammonia, benzol, naphtha, sulfur, naphthalene balls. We used to kept it in the almari, okay, or in some boxes so that the insect should not come. So that naphtha is used to make that naphthalene ball, and that is a byproduct of coal. Okay, which are the industry where these byproducts are used? Chemical industry. What type of chemical industry? Plastic, synthetic, fiber, rubber, this type of industries, they use these chemicals. Okay. Coal reserves of India are associated with two geological periods, namely Gondwana and Tertiary coal deposit. Here I have written Gondwana and Tertiary coal deposit. Gondwana coal is the superior coal what we are having in our country, and it contributes 98% of the total coal reserves of India. Okay, and tertiary, that gives us only 2%. What is this Gondwana? What is this tertiary? I have already written in the keywords. Okay, Gondwana coal deposit, it is bituminous coal also, which is converted into coke before used in iron and steel industry. Okay, this coal is bituminous coal, and it is converted, process is there. With the process, this raw coal is converted into coke so that we can use it for the iron and steel industry. It contains 70% to 90% carbon. Okay, so it contains 70% to 90% carbon. It is of high demand by the industries as it also contributes, and it also contributes 98% of the total coal reserve of our country. It is 200 million years old. Okay, that's why this is the superior coal what we are getting in our country. Only 2% is there for tertiary coal deposit. What is this tertiary coal deposit? They are found in rocks of the Oligocene period of the tertiary era. Okay, these are the rocks which are found in the, these are a type of coal. Okay, this is also a coal, but it is only having, it is very less. Okay, but then also we should know only 2% we are getting from this tertiary. Okay, and it is found in the rocks like this one, your Gondwana. Gondwana is found inside the earth, but tertiary is found in the rocks, where the rocks of the Oligocene period of the tertiary era. It is brownish in color and so known as brown coal. It is not that much black also. It is brownish in color, so it is known as brown coal. But the thing is that as it is in, why it is brown in color? Because it contains less of carbon. Okay. And less of carbon means it is not that much useful for the generation of energy. That's why the Gondwana coal is of in high demand. It contributes only 2% of the coal reserves of our country and is 50 to 60 million years old. Okay, that is Gondwana is 200 million years old. It is 50 to 60 million years old. Gondwana coal is more extensive and more important. Okay. Now we will go for the distribution and production. In India, coal reserves are located largely coal. Where we found the coal mainly? In India, coal reserves are located largely in the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Telangana, West Bengal, etc. These are the leading producer of coal. They are having huge amount of coal in their place. Okay, so which are they? Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and West Bengal. Little quantity is found in other state also, but these are the place where we are getting the Gondwana coal which is very extensive and very much important for the generation of electricity. These states contributes 96% of the total coal reserves of the country. Means these states, how many states I have told you? Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and West Bengal. Out of 29 states, I have told you only the 7 states, and these 7 states contributes 96% of the total coal reserves of India. India is the 3rd largest producer of coal in the world. Okay, so India is the 3rd largest producer of coal in the world. So with this you will get the keywords also. There also I have written what is tidal energy, what is geothermal energy, what is different geothermal power stations, everything it is written there. So first you should know about the coal, what is the importance of coal. 67% of the total energy of the country is being contributed. It's being consumed. What it is consumed by India, it is contributed from coal only. Okay. Next you should go for the distribution. Which are the states where we are getting the largest quantity of coal? Which are they? They are your Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Odisha. Okay, these are the states where we are getting huge amount of coal. Okay, and India is the 3rd largest producer of coal in the world. Okay, so with this we have completed your coal. So in the next class we will be going with one more thing, which is contributing for the power generation of our country. Thank you.